Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll explore the timeless Stoic philosophy and how it can help us develop courage in daily life. Courage isn't just about heroic acts. It's about showing up, doing what's right, and facing challenges head-on, no matter how small they might seem. Let's dive into how Stoicism teaches us to build courage, step by step, in the ordinary moments of our lives. Part 1. Redefining courage. Courage is often misunderstood. We think of it as something reserved for soldiers, revolutionaries, or those who take extreme risks. But the Stoics remind us that courage is found in the everyday. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, said, "Difficulties are things that show a person what they are." This means that life's challenges, whether big or small, are opportunities to prove our inner strength. For the Stoics, courage is about taking responsibility for your actions, staying calm in the face of adversity, and doing what you believe is right, even when it's uncomfortable. Part 2. The role of fear. Let's talk about fear. Fear is natural, and the Stoics didn't see it as something to avoid completely. Instead, they saw it as a signal, a call to action. Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about it. How often do we let fear of the unknown stop us from trying? Fear of failure, fear of judgment, or fear of discomfort? The Stoic approach is to face fear with reason. Ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Often you'll realize that the consequences are not as catastrophic as you imagine. By rationalizing your fears, you take away their power. Part 3. Practical steps to develop courage. So how can we bring Stoic courage into our daily lives? Here are 3 practical steps inspired by Stoic teachings. 1. Focus on what you can control. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic thinker, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." When faced with a challenge, separate what's within your control from what's not. You can't control others' opinions, the economy, or unexpected setbacks, but you can control your attitude, your effort, and your response. Focus on these, and you'll act with courage. 2. Practice voluntary discomfort. The Stoics believed in training themselves to face difficulties before they arise. For example, Seneca recommended occasionally living as if you had nothing, wearing simple clothes, eating plain food, and sleeping without luxury. Why? Because when you practice discomfort, you realize you can endure more than you think. The fear of hardship fades, and you become braver in the face of real challenges. 3. Reflect and prepare daily. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, did I face my fears today? Did I do what was right, even when it was difficult? What could I do better tomorrow? This daily practice, inspired by the Stoics, helps you build a habit of courage. It's not about being perfect, it's about improving little by little every day. Part 4. Courage as a way of life. Finally, remember that courage isn't a one-time thing, it's a way of life. It's found in the small decisions, speaking up when something feels wrong, trying something new, or simply getting out of bed when life feels heavy. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one." Courage is action, not theory. It's choosing to live according to your values, no matter how difficult the circumstances. Conclusion. So let's start today. Face your fears, focus on what you can control, and take small steps to build courage in your daily life. The Stoics believe that courage is a muscle, and the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a purposeful and courageous life. Thanks for watching, and remember, true courage isn't about being fearless, it's about acting in spite of fear.